Welcome back to my channel, guys. You're in the kitchen with Lynn, and today I'm going to show you how I make my homemade churros. This is one of my favorite treats, guys, and these are so crispy. Yes, I made mine crispy. You can make yours crispy outside, soft and tender on the inside. It's your choice. They have the most irresistible flavor, and they're easier to make than you think. You must always have two persons to help you in this process, and I'm going to show you why. So these are my ingredients, and I will be listing them in the description box below. Alright, so I have a pan with oil heating up there to fry my churros, and over into this pan over medium heat I'm adding some water along with some butter and some sugar and salt. And you want to bring this to a boil over medium heat. Once it starts to boil, you want to reduce the heat to medium-low, then add the flour and stir constantly with a rubber spatula until mixture comes together and it is smooth. A few lumps in it are fine, guys, but you still want to make sure that that raw flour, is all mixed up into the batter. Now that it's done, I'm going to transfer the batter into my mixing bowl and let it cool for 5 minutes. But guys, I'm not going to wait for 5 minutes, right? I'm going to just use my paddle attachment and mix it up so that I can release some of the heat. You do not want this batter to be too cold or too hot, because remember, you have to add the egg and you don't want the egg to cook in there. So I'm going to add the egg, and then I'm going to add the vanilla essence. Then you want to keep mixing this mixture until it comes together and it is smooth. It will separate at first, but keep mixing, it will come together. You can see at this point of time that I have a very nice, thick, smooth, textured batter. And I'm going to be using a piping tip. Use which one is best for you. Whichever design you want to make, then feel free to use it, alright? So I'm going to place the piping tip into my piping bag and then fill the bag with the batter. At this time, I'm going to prepare my cinnamon and granulated sugar for a coating and set this aside. Now it's time for frying, guys. What you want to do is carefully pipe the mixture into the preheated oil at about 6 inches in length and cut the ends with the scissors. And at this time, if you have someone to help you to cut them, it would be great, because you'll come out with a very straight churros. But it's fine, because churros most times comes out with, some different shapes, some curves, all right? And you don't want to overcrowd the pan. I am going to fry mine until they're golden brown. Guys, I am not making the crispy outside and the soft textured inside. You can feel free to do so. I'm going to let mine fry a little longer so that I can get that crispiness. Once it's done, I'm going to remove them, place them onto a plate with paper towel, and then I'm going to just roll them over into the sugar and cinnamon mix to coat them. Simple, easy, and nice. And these are my churros, guys. You can melt some chocolate to make a dip. You can also use some butterscotch sauce to make a dip, which I did make, and I'm gonna leave that link below for you. But I use mine with some melted peanut butter. These are so great. The dipping is good, guys. Give it a try. Don't you forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment when you try it, and I will see you in my next video.